Welcome to day 1551 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with like wackadoodle hair. Sometimes I just get sick of my hair and I stick it in a ponytail or a bun. And today is definitely a wild wackadoodle hair day. It's Friday. Friday I can go crazy, right? I can do whatever I want. So today we're wrapping up today and tomorrow the spiritual segment of the annual BU 365 Day Challenge. Do one thing every day that improves us. We're focusing on spiritual the month of April, this segment. And we talked about today the concept of a personal spiritual development plan and what elements you can put in that, keeping in mind that like anything else, it has to be tailored to our unique thoughts, feelings, beliefs, personality, what feels right to us, what we want and do not want to add in our plan. So we talked about the things you can include, and then I shared what my moving forward personal spiritual development plan is going to be. And I decided, hey, that's a good idea. Why don't we, whenever we're discussing what's next for that area or aspect of our life, add a personal development plan, right? I mean, we used to do them all the time for the kids. We used to do them for school. We used to do them for work and feedback, and everybody had their own goals and objectives and personal development plan and how they were going to achieve the things that they wanted. When I was in corporate America and in my businesses, I do that. So why wouldn't I do that as part of this challenge? I don't know why it took me 4 months to add that to the sequence, but if I were going to go back and add things to the previous months, I would say when we do the what's next, I would say, what is our physical personal development plan, or our physical, our mental personal development plan, our emotional personal development plan, spiritual personal development plan. And then next month, for the day that's what next, which is usually the second to the last day of the month, because I kind of structured it similarly from month to month to month to month, we'll talk about what's our financial personal development plan, right? Or what's our personal financial development plan, however you like to use the words. I don't know. We'll think about, I'll look and make sure something isn't copywritten, and we'll create our own acronyms for it. But it just goes to show you, as I'm doing things and doing these challenges right along with the people I'm doing the challenge with, it grows and morphs and becomes more, and we add more things that can be of value to people. And again, if it works for you, you do it. If it doesn't work, you're like, okay, well, that was interesting, and you let it go now, because maybe the time isn't right to have a personal development plan in any area or aspect of your life. You're just in survival mode, getting through and trying to be a better version of yourself every day. And that's what your purpose and your desire of this challenge is. So that's what I like about annual challenges, is you just do a little bit every day. It's not a giant commitment to anything, but it is a commitment to yourself that you're going to continually work on being a better version of you. Our idiom for Supersize Your Business today, again, along the spiritual idioms aspect, the spiritual well-being thoughts, and they're not all well-being, right? A lot of spiritual idioms are about the devil and things. I noticed that I didn't use very many of those because I don't like them. So today's was gospel truth, and I shared a handful of things that I have come across in myself and in other business owners that are absolute positive lies that we tell ourselves that we think are true. Things like, the timing will be right and I'll know when to grow and build and supersize my business. I have to follow this complicated system of growing and supersizing my business or building my business. I have to make it harder than it actually is. I have to struggle and sacrifice. I have to start small and then make it bigger and bigger and bigger. I think like my customers, or I think like the people I serve, things like that. So we talked about what are some of those really, really misconceptions that we have as business owners, which actually cause like 95 to 97% of businesses to fail, right? So not only do they not supersize and grow, they don't even make it to the 5-year mark. So that was our topic for Supersize Your Business today. Working on a bunch of projects and things. That's why I don't care if I have crazy hair today. I'm going to implement my spiritual personal development plan today by starting some things and the things that I shared in the challenge. If I can help you in any way, hit me up. I've got like that 5-minute thing. I say 5-minute guarantee can help you no matter what. And I don't charge for that, by the way, in case you're wondering, hey, do you make me pay for a 5-minute thing? No, it's just my way of giving back and helping people to move over the hurdles and the things that we tell ourselves are true, but they're not really the gospel truth. They're just something that we've come to understand or believe that we thought were true for us, but probably aren't. All right, have an awesome day. I hear a baby crying, so I'm going to go attend to her because I adore her, and I will be with you tomorrow. Bye.